Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the Spotlight Cam Plus off in the Ring app so the battery circuit is inactive. This prevents sparks and data errors. Next, unmount the device from its bracket and lay it face down on a soft cloth to protect the lens. Use a T6 Torx to remove the two visible screws. Once loosened, a gentle pry with a flat tool opens the rear housing. Do this steadily. Forcing the seam can break plastic clips. Once the rear housing is open, take a moment to identify the battery pack and its connector. This is critical because connectors vary. You should gently push the locking tab on the connector and pull the plug straight out. Avoid wiggling at an angle, since that stresses pins and solder joints. When removing the battery, lift vertically from its recess. The pack is held by clips and foam. If you encounter resistance, inspect for hidden screws or adhesive rather than force. To finish, align the replacement battery so its polarity matches the original labeling and press it into the compartment until clips engage. This ensures a reliable connection. Reattach the connector until you feel or hear a click. This confirms the locking tab engaged. Before closing, power the camera on in the app to verify charging and status. Then reassemble the housing and tighten Torx screws snugly. If the camera won't power, check the connector seating first. A loose plug is the most common fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.